It's gone. It's gone. The N96 Flat 6, the first of the water-cooled pioneers, it survived the IMS bearing lottery, only to be evicted and replaced by a battery.
So what's Steve poking his head around in and getting all upset? Well, this is his Porsche 911 from 1998, the Carrera 4, getting delivered to my driveway for my next project. I kinda agreed to this, probably after a few pints in a pub in Ireland the other week, and here we are. This is what happens when you drink, kids.
Most people would say you need a professional workshop, a two-cost lift, and specialist tools to EV swap a Porsche. I'm going to do it in my garden. I have some very basic tools and a very trusting friend, Steve, who happens to be a massive Porsche.
The engine's already out, and we're really going to upset the purists. This is going to be converted to rear-wheel drive. It gives us more room for batteries at the front and better weight balance.
Oh, you're killing the 4? That's another 50 kilograms of Porsche history you're tossing in the bin, and the weight balance will be all wrong. It's going to be a silent pendulum of death. This is the heart of the transplant, a Tesla small drive unit from the front of a Tesla Model S. It weighs just 90 kilograms and puts out 220 kilowatts and 330 newton meters of torque instant. 90 kilograms? My lunchmate weighs more than that. Where are the cylinders? How am I supposed to tune a circuit board? Don't need to tune it, Steve. You just hold on. 220 kilowatts. That's nearly 300 horsepower. Fine. I'll allow it. But the only way I'm going to cope is if I can make vroom vroom noises in the cabin.
So we're going to prove you don't need a sterile workshop. You just need a very trusting friend with a very strange moustache.